Hey there, it's Sarah and I'm here with your new favorite cotton yarn. Let's talk about Lion Brand's Pima Cotton. This yarn is so fantastic. Pima Cotton has it all. Obviously, Lion Brand Pima Cotton is 100% Pima Cotton. Pima is a high-end variety of cotton that's known for being silkier than regular old cotton. And I can't say it enough, this yarn is soft with a capital S. I've never felt a 100% cotton yarn that's as luxurious to the touch. Also, this is of course a yarn that is completely made up of natural fibers, and it's plant fiber, so it's vegan friendly. Pima Cotton is a medium weight number 4 yarn, and in each ball you get 186 yards. You will also love that this yarn is machine washable. Like I said, she's a total package. And look at these gorgeous colors. It is such a chic palette. Let's work up a swatch. While I do that, you know the drill. Be sure to subscribe. The first word that popped into my mind when I was working with this yarn was cozy. I don't think I've ever thought that about a cotton yarn, and don't get me wrong, I love cotton, but it usually has a crisp quality, and this is totally drapey and smushy. And it creates a fantastic fabric. Look at these plump stitches. The variety of projects that you can make with Pima Cotton is amazing. And how about the crochet swatch? Again, very soft and drapey. There's a slight sheen to this yarn, which adds a little dimension, but I definitely wouldn't call it shiny. You have really great stitch definition here. This swatch has that squishy quality that makes this yarn so special. Think baby projects. But you can also do some really pretty lacework with Pima Cotton. While I would usually reach for cotton more often in the summer months, Lion Brand Pima Cotton is truly something you can wear all year long. It's going to be breathable, but it's cuddly. You can absolutely make yourself a beautiful sweater with this yarn, and I am dying to do just that. And because it's easy care, don't limit yourself to garments and accessories. You can make baby gifts, toys, and home decor. As always, I can't wait to see what you're going to be making with this yarn. It is Lion Brand Pima Cotton. Happy stitching!